Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the backup disk is present and mounted. This is critical. Once done, restart your Mac and hold Command-R to boot into macOS recovery. This gives you the restore environment. Make sure the external drive stays powered and connected. Disconnects cause failures. If you see a firmware password prompt, enter it now. Once recovery loads, select Restore from Time Machine Backup. This initiates the guided restore interface and moves you directly into choosing a snapshot. You now choose the backup source and the snapshot you want to restore. Pick by date and any descriptive label. Next, select the destination volume on your Mac. If the volume has different encryption or an incompatible scheme, you should erase and reformat it first using disk utility. Once the target is prepared, verify free space and confirm the restore. Time Machine will copy the snapshot contents and preserve permissions. This step can take from minutes to hours, depending on size and connection speed. You let the restore finish uninterrupted. Abrupt stops corrupt the restore and the backup set. Once your Mac restarts, log into Accounts, open key apps, and scan files, then run Software Update to grab any post-backup updates. If something is missing, check Migration Assistant for transferred accounts. If the process fails, boot into recovery again and run disk utility, first aid on both the backup and destination drives. Repairs often resolve checksum or directory issues, then retry the Time Machine restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.